Assalamualaikum. On this presentation, I will present material about measurement part 1, section 1. Look at table, the chemical table below. The first aluminium, 2 magnesium, copper, 3 copper, 4 cast iron, 5 lead, 6 nickel, 7 titanium, 8 zinc. In this table, there is also the average melting point, density, and tensile strength of this chemical element. Number 1, aluminium density 2700. Melting point 660 degrees Celsius. Average tensile 90 Newton per millimeter square. Number 2, magnesium density 1700. Melting point 651. Average tensile 248 Newton per millimeter square. Number 3, copper density 8950 kilogram per meter cube. Melting point 1083 degrees Celsius. Average tensile 340 Newton per millimeter square. Number 4, cast iron density 7860 kilogram per meter cube. Melting point 1535 degrees Celsius. Average tensile 160 Newton per millimeter square. Number 5, density 11,300 kilogram per meter cube. Melting point 327 degrees Celsius. Average tensile 50 Newton per millimeter square. Number 6 is titanium density 8900. Melting point is 1458 degrees Celsius. Average tensile 172 Newton per millimeter square. Number 7 is titanium density 4500 kilogram per meter cube. Melting point is 1725 degrees Celsius. Average tensile is 216 Newton per millimeter square. Number 8, zinc density 7100 kilogram per meter cube. Melting point is 420 degrees Celsius. Average tensile is 110 Newton per millimeter square. Text 1. Now make similar statement about other metal. Aluminium. Number 1. Aluminium has a density of 2700 700 kilogram per meter cube. Number 2, lead has a tensile strength of 15 Newton per millimeter square. Number 3, copper has a melting point of 1083 degrees Celsius. Number 4, magnesium has a chemical symbol is Mg. Number 5, cast iron has a melting point of 1535 Celsius. Number 6, nickel has a density of 8900 kilogram per meter cube. Number 7, titanium has a density of 4500 kilogram per meter cube. Number 8, zinc has a tensile strength of 110 Newton per meter square. Look at this sentence which show how the density may be compared for the various metal. Number 1, copper has a very low density. Number 2, nickel has a low density. Number 3, zinc has a high density. Task 3, name this metal. A metal with a fairly high density, a very high melting point, and a fairly low tensile strength is tungsten. A metal with a fairly high density, high tensile strength, and a very high melting point is titanium. A metal with a low density, a fairly low melting point, and low tensile strength is aluminum. A metal with a very low melting point, very low tensile strength, and a fairly high density is lead. A metal with very low density, a fairly low melting point, and very high tensile strength is beryllium. A metal with high density, a fairly high melting point, and very high tensile strength is steel. A metal with high tensile, a high melting point, a high density is nickel. A metal with a very low melting point, very high density, very low tensile strength is mercury. Task 4. Now complete these sentences. Number 1. The lowest melting point of silver solder is 60,700 Celsius. The highest melting point is 7,400 Celsius. The melting point of silver solder ranges from 620 Celsius to 740 Celsius. Number 2, the lowest